Hey everyone, welcome back to Answer the Home. Wondering how to spruce up your bathroom and make it look better than ever? Simple. Adding low-light plants to the bathroom. If you've got a bathroom with low light, don't worry. We've got you covered with the top 15 best bathroom plants that thrive in low light and humid conditions. Let's get started. First up is the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. This plant is incredibly low maintenance and is a fantastic air purifier. It thrives in low light and needs watering only once every 2 to 3 weeks. Perfect for a bathroom environment. Next, we have the spider plant. Known for its ability to grow in low light, it's perfect for hanging baskets in your bathroom. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks, and it will thrive in any humid environment. The ZZ plant is another hardy option. It tolerates low light and infrequent watering, making it perfect for busy people. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks and enjoy its glossy green leaves. Pothos is a beautiful trailing plant that can thrive in low light conditions. It's also great for purifying the air and can be watered once every fortnight. Peace lilies are known for their elegant white flowers and air-purifying qualities. They prefer low light and need watering once a week, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Philodendrons come in many varieties and are well suited for low-light environments. They are easy to care for and need watering every 1 to 2 weeks. Boston ferns love humidity, making them ideal for bathrooms. They thrive in low light and need to be kept consistently moist, so water them 2 to 3 times a week. Bamboo is another excellent choice for low light and humid environments. It requires minimal care and can be watered once a week. The cast iron plant is incredibly resilient and perfect for low-light bathrooms. Water it every 2 to 3 weeks, and it will continue to thrive. Chinese evergreens are perfect for adding a pop of color to your bathroom. They thrive in low light and need watering every 1 to 2 weeks. The heartleaf philodendron is another trailing plant that's perfect for low-light areas. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks and enjoy its lush green leaves. Orchids can thrive in low light and high humidity, making them ideal for bathrooms. Water them every 1 to 2 weeks, and they will reward you with beautiful blooms. Aloe vera is not only easy to care for, but also useful for skin treatments. It requires minimal light and watering every 3 weeks. Bird's nest ferns love humidity and low light, making them perfect for bathrooms. Water them every 1 to 2 weeks, and they will thrive. Finally, we have English ivy, my personal favorite. It can tolerate low light and enjoys the humidity found in bathrooms. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks, and it will flourish. There you have it, folks. The top 15 best bathroom plants for low light. Not only do these plants add a touch of nature to your bathroom, but they also thrive in the humid environment and are easy to care for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips from Answer the Home. See you next time.